We'll be teaching you how you can earn very decent amount of money every blessed day doing affiliate marketing.
Yes,
Oh
so
yeah, hit me.
You must have heard of affiliate marketing before. You must have tried it. You must have failed. Yes, I have failed too severally.
God have mercy upon us.
But this is a proven strategy that is currently working now, and I'm going to show you proof. When I come to my account here, you can see I'm having 7,500.
Hey, shut down. Who the Zuzu?
I just earned this within the past few minutes. And I'm going to explain everything step by step. Please pay close attention.
yes,
Oh yeah, hit me.
There are certain things about affiliate marketing that if you get it wrong from the first stage, just forget about it. That is why I failed before, and I've learned my lesson. I'm going to be teaching you what you should do now. So the good thing about this platform is it's available in all 77 countries in the world. A lot of African countries are now involved. All you have to do is click here.
yes,
Oh yeah, hit me.
So you can see list of countries now. If you come, you can see, including the tier 1, Australia, and the rest of them. So you can see the list is endless, 77 countries in the world. So there are different ways you are going to be earning. I'm going to break it down. I'm going to leave the link in the description box for you to start with, because once you get that link wrong from the beginning, just forget about it. That's the truth. Leave everything you are doing and pay close attention now. The opportunity for you to earn in this very one is very, very simple. Everybody is using social media now, and social media has come to stay, and it's the best way to earn now. So if I show you now, you can see, you are going to see proof of people also earning here. You can see this person just earned 100 something million here. So this is it. If I go to my second account, this is my second account. You can see I've already earned $2 already. I'm starting the process from the beginning. I'm going to do a live demo now for you with another account again. You get to see it. So by the time I come back to my original account, you can see these are the available opportunities for you to earn. You can earn as an affiliate, because when you recommend to people, when they use the platform either to make purchases or to make sales, you get commission. You can earn as an influencer. For those of you that have big followers and the rest of them, no need wasting your time telling people to tap on their phone screen or send you gift. No, this one, people have problem, and every day they are willing to spend money solving problem. Even as you're watching this, you are spending money to solve one problem or the other. A lot of people are using social media and internet to connect to get solutions for their problems. So tap into this opportunity. You can also earn by inviting friends and the rest of them using different levels. You can see the breakdown here. So you can see I've already earned 3,000 naira already for this. So when we go further now, so you can see you can earn up to 23,000 naira per invitation when you invite an individual to come and sign up. Depending on your own country, you get to see it in different amounts. So tap on the link in the description box of this video, and it will bring you to a page like this. It will bring you to a page like this, and it will ask you join affiliate now to get 3,000 plus 4,000 shares. That will be amounting to 7,000 for you who is just starting. When you click, it will show you this particular environment. All you have to do is, this pop-up notification will come up. Don't worry about this information. All you have to do is put your email address here. In my own case, this is a new email address I'll be using. I'll now click continue. Then they ask you to put your password. You can pick any password. In this case, we are going to use a very simple password so that we can remember it. I'll just remove this one. Tell me it's still good. I'll now put 1 here. I'll now click continue to register. Once you are done with this, they are going to send a verification code to your email. You just copy the verification code like this. So this is going to be the verification code. You now copy it, come here and paste it into this very particular place. The moment you paste it, so you can see after the verification, the money has come in. You can see 3,000 naira now. So the next thing you do is, these are the various ways you earn. You can earn as an affiliate here. That means you are going to get people. By the time you click here, you can share this link. You can share this to your email list, share this to your Twitter handle, share this to your Facebook, share. Once you click, it will prompt you to share. Then this message will be pasted in your profile. That is the first step. Then the second step is you can earn as an influencer. Let me show you the influencer package. So for this influencer, you can earn up to 134,000 naira, and then see the amount here per month for posting about their platform. All you have to do is you click authorize. When you click authorize, This is the beauty of the whole thing. You can click here. For those who have TikTok account, you can click here, then click approve. Or if you have YouTube, you click here, approve. Or you have Instagram, you click here, approve. Once you do that, immediately you'll be credited to that amount, and whenever people uses that particular link, you will get paid for it. The next step is, so the next available option for you to earn is through selling of items. That means you can put an item by using hot deal, you share it for people to buy, or use invite affiliate. So this one, you invite affiliate for them to earn. That means you want people to join affiliate like you see. Congrats, they even give me notification, you can see it. So this thing I'm showing you, this account is completely different from the other one. So you can see once you come here, they will give you your link. So this one will now be your link, that by the time you click on your email, click on this, is going to be published for people to use. So I guess you learned something in this video. So check the link in the description box, sign, click, and to start. Very simple. In the next few minutes, you'll be having this amount. You can see this one is having 3,000. I haven't approved my social media handle, but this other one that I have my social media approved on it. So this other one, you can see, is having 7,000. So the beauty of this platform is you can also start publishing your product here for sale if you're a business person. So for worldwide delivery. So you can see when you authorize your YouTube or Facebook or Instagram or any of the social media, you get paid. So there are other information that you need. So the platform is a legitimate platform. But when I come to this very point, you can see this is how the platform look. It's a worldwide platform where they sell things people buy. So you can see they offer a lot of product. You can see clothes to phones to very affordable prices. You can see hell, see this radio that is very expensive. You can see it. So you can see different items. So that is the beauty of the Temu platform. So don't forget, use the link in the description box. It will make it very easy, and you have access to getting this amount. As you continue to use it, you continue to see how your money will be increasing. So catch you in my next video. I believe you learned something in this particular video. So don't forget to keep a date as I continue to post you. I'm going to be talking about the withdrawal with time goes on, giving you a breakdown of how you can set it up.